Introducing this month the next craft a flower from Altenew. We have the beautiful Dahlia April Heather layering die set this month. On the back you can see the layering guide showing step by step how to layer together the two beautiful florals that come in this set. Below you see the inks used to create the sample shown up above. If we look on the inside, you can see an image of the dies that are included in this set. Next, let's have a look at the pieces laid out in the order we will use them. First, we have the keyhole flower, and next we have the triangle flower. So you can pause the screen if you'd like to see what order those go in. We'll go ahead and get started with keyhole flower 1. We'll use the keyhole to align piece 2. Next, we'll use the keyhole to align piece 3, the keyhole to align piece 4, the keyhole to align piece 5, and the center we'll use the keyhole to align that, and then we'll use the outline shape of the center to align the piece that covers the keyhole. For the triangle flower, we'll use that to align piece 1, 2, piece 3, piece 4, and next, the flower center, we'll use that arrow to align, and then again, we'll use the outline of the shape to align the flower center. I hope this video was helpful in layering together your Craft a Flower Dahlia April Heather. Here we have some inspiration from our amazing designers. To find out more about Craft a Flower Dahlia April Heather and other available products, please visit us at altenew.com.
Hello crafters, Jen here. For more tips, techniques, tutorials, and to discover which paper crafting products are right for you, subscribe to Altenew's YouTube channel. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Thanks for watching.